Hey guys, the good folks over at PELADN gifted me this mini PC to do a little unboxing. I'll show you what you get and then try it out. So let's unbox it and see what we have here. It says this is HO series mini PC. I know it has the Ryzen 7 in it. That's a pretty good processor. We will see if I can figure out how to get this box open. There we go. First thing we have here is a little booklet here. I guess this is the user manual. A little mini PC. Boy, that is a little one, isn't it? Let's see what else we have here before we tear into this. All right, it comes with a mounting plate. You can mount these little mini PCs on the back of a monitor if you so desired. Then you wouldn't have nothing on your desk but your monitor and keyboard and mouse. Pretty cool. Have an HDMI cord here, the mounting screws for the mounting plate, and our power supply. Tear into this because we'll be needing this. There we go. And that looks like it for what's in the box. So basically, HDMI cable, power supply, mounting plate, and hardware for that, and your mini PC, along with your user manual. Let's get the camera up a little closer and go over the ports on this bad boy. Look at that. Comes in a hard aluminum case, not plastic. That's surprising. Plenty of vents for ventilation. HDMI and DP. We get the camera up a little closer. I'll show you. Okay, here on the back, we will start right over here. We have our power port. This is where you plug in your AC power adapter. You have a high-speed Type-C USB port. You have an HDMI port. You have two USB 2.0 ports, a DP port, and then it has the lock right over here, the anti-theft lock right there. And as I mentioned, have plenty of ventilation on both sides. You have two USB 3.2 ports. You have one USB-C port and your headphone jack. It's a 3.5 millimeter and our power button right there. Got all that information right here, as well as a quick installation guide. Okay guys, I'm gonna get it in there in the office, get it all hooked up, get Windows installed, and then we're gonna do a couple of little tests, see how well it works. So don't go away.
One friendly remaining.
what did you think about the little mini PC? I thought it did a great job. Great test results, handled the games that I installed on it well. I did a little video editing with the screen recordings and stuff like that with a video editor. Handled that perfectly fine. It's a nice little mini PC. I'm not real sure it would handle AAA games, as they call them, but for just an ordinary user, little mini PC will get the job done. There's no doubt about it. If you'd like to check it out over on Amazon, I'll put a link down in the description where you can do just that. Also, if you got any kind of value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission. Thanks for watching.